What's your order? Fish fillet. Ooh. Give me a recipe for filet-o-fish.
Chef Kanye West on the mic. We got a special recipe for you today. Filet-o-fish to blow you away.
Chef Jay-Z, let me take the floor.
This is gonna be sick.
𝗪𝗲𝗃𝗪𝗃 𝗪𝗲𝗃 make him shine. 𝗪𝗲𝗃 make it green, rub and flip him all the same.
Another lady bowls, slice it up, then we in control. Ball so hard, get that fish in and wash ball so hard. Slap panko and toss.
Fam, this smells so good.
Time to ride fillets, hot drop, sizzle and pop. Them in the skillet, can't make them stop. Golden brown and crispy. Tartar sauce,
Mayo relish and onions.
vinegar for that change.
Slap your mama, it's okay.
Zest of lemon,
Squeeze it up,
grind some pepper,
then add the salt.
flavor bone.
You already know, give it a toss and you're ready to go.
Never forget to toast your bread.
If you do, you might as well be dead. Toast the buns, get it nice and warm. Place fillets, the cheese, and in the final form, spread that tartar sauce. Mr. Cherry Chew, fillet your fish masterpiece just for you.
That's crack.
Come on. Look at this.